Hello and welcome to another morning briefing presented by Stein Investments. Some days take only a few minutes and you'll know they will be something special. And this was one of these days that started with the MQL5 message of a very happy user. And I'd like to present you the screenshot he sent me. There it is. And he was one of the first that updated custom alerts yesterday to the latest available version in the market, where we implemented the correlated currency strategy and the corresponding alerts. And so he received the first alert here during the Asian session and has been able to trade it successfully on 4 pairs. He marked here, he combined the information from the custom alerts tool and FX Power with his volume analysis, and you'll see it's a pretty interesting setup here on his chart, combining several of our tools. IX Power is here at the bottom. Then we have volume total change and net long change here with the corresponding symbol lists on the upper left corner, and he's been able to profit on all 4 pairs. So he has been very happy, and then I checked our Telegram group chat and found only joy and excitement across the board, where several users have been able to benefit from this movement as well. So yes, it was really great to code this alert as soon as possible and provide it to you as soon as possible, because the first custom alerts users have been already able to benefit from that. So let's check what happened during this Asian session, and we see that the Aussie dollar and the New Zealand dollar are both extremely weak, and then the volume kicked in. There has been a rising interest in new positions, in new Aussie dollar and New Zealand dollar positions, and the interest was targeting short positions in both currencies and stabilized this trend, and this one lasted for several hours. And that's exactly the opportunities we are talking about. So here is what this move looked like on chart. You see an amazing rise here on the British pound against the Aussie dollar during the weak stage of the Aussie dollar, and the same is true on euro against the Aussie dollar. New Zealand dollar against the Canadian dollar was going down, against the Japanese yen also. So this is a perfect one-sided move across the board against all other currencies, and that's what makes the correlation of currencies and the resulting trends so powerful. Unfortunately, I was unable to trade this move manually because it started in the middle of the night for me, but I coded an expert advisor to catch these opportunities and test the potential of the strategy. And that's what I'd like to present you here. This is my development VPS, where I run expert advisors 24/7. And this is the one that tests the currency correlation strategy. It executed several trades in the right direction and in the end made more than 11% of profit with a risk of 0.25% per trade. This is definitely outstanding. Of course, I know we can't expect these moves every day because we are living in interesting times, and yesterday's tariffs publication flipped the market upside down, causing extreme volatility across indices, shares. The indices dropped a lot, etc., etc. So this is surely not normal, but this strategy worked before, and that's why we had a closer look at it, and that's why we already presented it in a few past morning briefing videos, and that's why I coded it into custom alerts and now into this AA, and you see this amazing potential. Unfortunately, it executed a few wrong trades because there was an error. You see, it took a short trade here, why it should have taken a long trade. That's due to an error in the code. I already fixed that. So the next trade execution of a correlated currency strategy will be in the right direction, and then we'll earn even more money on this. But nonetheless, we already achieved more than 11%, and that's a statement I can definitely live with. The corresponding alerts are also available in our custom alerts tool since yesterday. As I already told you, you'll find him in the FX Power NG section, and there is this experimental strategy which you can enable separately. It comes with a separate FX Power analysis period, independent from the other 3 you see here above. And then there are thresholds for the entry and for the exit, and then you'll get alerts like these. Here, I have to close this first. Here you see currency correlation alert for Swiss franc and Japanese yen. Both show strong bullish correlation, and you will also get an exit alert if the strength is fading. So, I see I have to fix this statement here to present the correct value. But anyway, that's just a minor bug in the output and the alert. So, you see, we do our best every single day to present you the best possible tools and the best possible trading opportunities. And we really appreciate all the positive feedback you sent us the last days. And we celebrate your success in trading. And we can only recommend to share what we have to present, to share some product reviews so others might know how good we really are and what sets us apart from all the competitors that just tell fairy tales and don't take any single trade. That said, I wish you an extremely great weekend, and I'm looking forward to the next trading opportunities next week. Happy weekend, see you, and bye bye.